Hey y'all, got a really awesome announcement. Oh, let me get this out there. I'll tell you what, the fishing has been horrible the last 3 weeks. I've never been skunked so many times. I've tried different bait, all kinds of different baits, leaders, lures, it don't matter. You see them, they're jumping up and down all up down the river. Matter of fact, I had 3 of them right here in my dock that followed a lure up, got within inches, and then just turned around like, nope, don't want it. So it's not been a good fishing week, but it's been good, or it's going to be good for y'all, because I got a really cool announcement. So starting this month in November 2025, we are shifting to paperless documentation. So no more manuals or quick start guides. Instead, what we're going to do is put a big old QR code on the boxes. You can't miss it. And so when you scan that, you'll come to a landing page where you can get the manual or quick start guides. There's even some for training, which I'm a big fan of. Although, if you're on site looking at Tigo Academy stuff, it's probably a little too late, but good to go for next time, right? And the reason I'm so stoked about this is because we don't have to, well, you won't have to worry if the documentation that's in the box for the TS4s or the EI battery stuff, you won't have to wonder if it's the most current, because it will be. So there's that. And it'll reduce, your job site trash a little bit, if you want to go that route. So one less thing you got to worry about. But y'all will need to train your crews. So our installers and our partners, you're going to have to train them in this new process. Okay, so as soon as they get on site, they need to scan that code if they're not familiar with it and start using it. Okay, now the Achilles heel to this, though, as is with most documentation, is still RTFM. You still got to do it. Except in this case, RTFM stands for read the freaking mobile version. Huh? How you like that? So, I think this is a great change for us. It's going to reduce your service calls. It's going to streamline things. And it's just a little bit different process that you're used to when you're on site. So, got any questions? Give us a call. We'll be happy to walk you through it. And a huge shout out to Man Solar, who received the first boxes of the product with the QR codes on it. Super cool. So I'm going to post a link to the whole story and the whole announcement. So I'm sure I left something out, but you'll be able to read that. And if you have any questions, just give us a call. Y'all take care.